Hello, welcome back to another quick and short grading tutorial. When it comes to Hook 181 with the missing value stamps, over the years, I can recall seeing a few blue label with the missing stamps. And I believe every single one of them was graded 0.5. I could be wrong, but I wish I saved them. So this is the first time that I see a book with the missing stamps and I get a chance to remember to save it. So I saved it and make a video so that I have some reference point. Often you see Hook 181 or many other books that have missing stamps in green label, and you know how I feel about green label. A whole lot of nonsense for the most part. Some green label makes sense, but for many of them I disagree, and I have harped on this point many times. But for the Hook 181 with the missing stamps, here we have a book that look something like a 2.0, 2.5. If the stamp was still intact, right, it looked pretty beat up. I can see a 2.0, and with the stamp missing, it's 0.5. Now, does this mean that a much nicer copy will only get a 0.5? I don't know. In all honesty, I can't say for sure. But going forward, I will try to capture every situation similar to this, where the Hook 181 or another book, any book that have a missing value stamp in blue label, I want to capture it to compare, because usually my answer in the past when someone asked me what grade can it be, I'm pretty wishy-washy because I don't really have any hard proof, but at least here I have a point of reference. Now, in conclusion, it's 0.5, but the low condition of the book also may play a small part in why it is 0.5. So unless we see a much nicer copy in a blue label with a missing stamp with a different grade, for now we can go with at least this reference as a 0.5. Okay, so at least that answers some of the question. Before I go, I just want to give credit to My Comic Shop, because this book was listed at My Comic Shop, so I took liberty to use the scan. And last but not least, this is not about whether I agree or disagree with CGC grading on this book. I have no idea. Okay, when it comes down to this kind of book, I have no idea how to grade it. Okay, I'm just the messenger. So for those that are curious to know what grade a book can be with a missing stamp, this potentially is your answer. I'm not here to tell you that you need to agree or disagree with it. Okay, and that's it. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.